The story of how silk threads, woven pieces of silk, and the yak tail hair all come together as a result of deep devotion and a meditative state of mind. An artist initiates a relationship with the deity and begins to draw a sketch on paper. The sketch is transferred onto the fine silk fabrics of varying color piece by piece. The artist then outlines these with a single piece of horse or yak tail hair. This hair is hand wrapped in pure gold, silver, or colorful silk threads as desired. The outlined piece of silk is now cut and is finished by folding and fixing the edges. Hundreds of these silk pieces are hand stitched. Eyes and lips are finely embroidered using silk threads. With the completion of the eye, the artist grants life to the deity.